Godzilla Marauder. It's took us quite a while to get this thing together, a little bit longer than we would have liked, but really happy how it came out. So far, 880s, so just under 900 rear wheel. We're not really trying to go ahead and kill it. So customer just wanted something fun and something repeatable and something you could kind of just fire up, warm it up, and go make passes all day. So that's what I believe we've hit the mark on this one. So let's take a closer look at it.
You've been using Holley exclusively now for how many years?
Oh, I think I started Holley about 12 years ago now, and we dabble a little bit with other systems, but we pretty much, Holley's our number one, I go-to.
It's going to be amazing to see this thing go down the track. Oh, Mike, we got a little glow in the headers. What does that mean?
Yeah, we got a car that runs now.
Look at that.
We're making a move now.
4-inch pipe. All the cold side, hot side piping is done. Brian's just going over the vitals. What do we got going on over there, Brian?
We're just adjusting the oil pressure regulator. We saw 90 when we revved it, so we're going to turn it down just a little bit. We're going to regulate it down to about 80 PSI.
80.
Yep.
And these motors, by design, will rev to the moon via oil, as far as oil pressure, correct?
Yes, sir. Especially with no oil squirters in them.
Here we go. We've talked about it for a while. It's all complete, ready to head back to the customer. Brian Wolfe built Godzilla 7.3, Danbury intake on it, ProCharger F1A 94. It's air-to-air cooled, run by a Holley Dominator, smart coils, custom stainless steel headers. Car's going through a big transformation from when we started out with the 4.6, which went really well. Joe really just wanted a lot more torque from the car, and that was a big part of what he was looking for. It wasn't big horsepower gains. It was about, hey, let's make the car run more consistently in the summer, so we're not slowing down so much trying to bracket race. Yep, so we got the 417 oil pan on the car. You can't see it. We made custom motor mounts. So sit it basically in a position so we can fit the blower under the hood and not cause any issues with that. So that worked out real well. We just pushed the engine back a little bit, pushed the transmission back. Turbo 400, Pro Torque converter. Like I spoke earlier in the video, it has an LS throttle body on it, which we're controlling with the Holley EFI. So that was a reason for the upgrade to the Dominator. But follow along. We got some cool stuff in the video of some of the fun stuff when we were putting the car together. So hold on, I don't want to waste any more of your time, and we'll kind of go on to the fun stuff. Well, there you go. 886, so a big tire. So this is what it's going to take to go in the 8s of this car. So let's pack it up and head to the track. the trailer, going home. Godzilla Marauder. Customer's taking it back into his possession. Those guys will be out racing Lebanon Valley in the Northeast. Foot brake in it, so keep an eye out for this thing. They're really good racers, these guys, and it's been a really fun build. Brian, Doug, Nick, myself, we put a lot of time into this thing, along with engine builder Brian Wolfe. So it's been a real good time. So we'll catch you guys soon.